Good day, everyone. So in this particular video, we are going to be talking about Venn diagrams involving three sets. Venn diagram involving three sets has been a very hard part of Venn diagram for many students. But the good news now is that in this particular video, I'm going to be making Venn diagram involving three sets more simpler for you. So what you have to understand is that there are steps in understanding a particular topic, a particular aspect of mathematics. The first aspect we are going to be talking about now is the formula aspects. Before you can participate or before you can say you want to participate in any Venn diagram involving three sets, the first thing you have to talk about is the formula. So you have to know this formula offhand. You have to know the formula offhand. So guys, the formula for Venn diagram involving three sets is that A union B union C is equals to N of A plus N of B plus N of C minus NA intersection B minus NA intersection C minus NB intersection C plus NA intersection B intersection C. You see that we firstly add single elements together before we now subtract double elements. And after we add, we subtract. After subtraction, we add again. So after you know the general formula offhand, you have to know the general formula offhand. The next thing you have to understand is that if there is no known, that is to say, if there is no known, then your A union B union C will equal to the universal sets. But if there is none, then your A union B union C will be equal to the universal set minus the none. We usually represent the none as what? A union B union C complement. Then guys, let's talk about the schematical representation of Venn diagram involving three sets. Guys, follow me. If I have a Venn diagram like this, now the universal set is equal to everything inside this box. So let's say I have set A, then I draw set B like this. This middle that is here is for both set A and set B. I can also draw a third set, and this is set C. Are you there with me, guys? So you see, this center part is for X, and that is for the intersection of A, B, C. So therefore, guys, I can say that A intersection B intersection C is equals to X. So whenever you are solving Venn diagram question, we always start from the center. So therefore, guys, another thing you have to understand is that I can represent this big part as A, this as B, this as C. You see, this big part is actually for A only. So I'm going to say that A only equals letter A, B only equals B, and C only equals this small c. So that's that. Then the next thing I'm not going to talk about now is that, guys, you know that in this Venn diagram we can have A intersection B, we can have A intersection B only. So guys, the next thing we have to understand very well now is that we can have A intersection B, and we can also have A intersection B only. Guys, follow me. If you check this very well, guys, we are going to see that these parts is representing A intersection B, or this part is representing A intersection B. So guys, let me represent this as W, this as Y, this as Z. YZ. So guys, you see your W plus X is representing A intersection B. So I can say that A intersection B is W plus X. But guys, you see this W is only for A and B. So this simply means that my A intersection B only is going to be this part, which is what? W. The same idea is what we are going to be using for A and C. I can also have A intersection C, and I can also have A intersection C only. So guys, follow me again. You see these parts. You know this is C, this is A. These parts this part is for what? A intersection C. So this simply means that my x plus y is equals to what? A intersection C. X plus y is equals to A intersection C. But you see this y is for A intersection C only. This y is for A intersection C only, and that's equals to what? Y. So therefore, guys, the next thing is B and C. You will also see we can have B intersection C, and we can also have B intersection C only. So therefore, guys, you see this part is for B intersection C. So therefore, your B intersection C is what? X plus Z. But guys, you see this small part, which is for Z only, which this Z is representing B intersection C only. B intersection C only. That's equals to what? Z. So therefore, this is the main understanding you have to note on what? Venn diagram involving 3D set. Then let's look at some example, guys. So guys, the example I have here is that in a survey of 60 people, it was found that 25 read Newsweek. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write out the parameters. Step 1. Write parameters. So therefore, the first parameter given to me is the universal set. That is 60 people. The universal set is equals to 60. 25 read Newsweek. My number of Newsweek is equals to 25. 26 read Time. My number of Time is equals to 26. 26 read Fortune. My number of Fortune is also equals to what? 26. First, we write out the parameters. And they continue. They say that if 9 read both Newsweek and Fortune, your N Newsweek intersection Fortune is equals to 9, comma. 11 read both Newsweek and Time. N Newsweek intersection Time is equals to 11. And 8 read both Time and Fortune. N Time intersection Fortune, that's equals to 8. And they say that an 8 read no magazine at all. So that's, you see, this no magazine at all simply means those that do none. Either those that do not participate at all. So that will be N intersection T intersection, union T union F complement. And that's equals to what? 8. So this 8 read no magazine, that simply means those that do not participate at all. So those are the what? None. So therefore, guys, I'm going to do that. Then step 2. Subtract none from universal sets to get the union. So guys, once I've written about the parameters, I'm going to remember that if there is none, before I proceed, I have to subtract this none from the universal sets. But if there is no none, my union is going to equal to the what? Universal set. But in this particular question, there is none. That simply means that my N union T union F is going to equal to this universal set minus this none. Complement. This N union T union F complement simply represents the what? This N union T union F complement simply represent the what? The none. So I'm going to subtract the none from the universal set. I got 52. So you have to take note, if in the question there is none, you are going to subtract it from the universal set to get your what? Union. But if there is no none, that is to say, if there is no none, then your universal set is going to equal to the what? To the union. But in this case, there is none. That is why you will firstly subtract the none from the what? Universal set. The norm is usually represented as what? Union, union, or complement. So that is that. Then step 3 is that calculate the intersection using the formula. What is the formula, guys? The formula for Venn diagram informing 3D sets is this on the board. And the union equals n of n plus n of f plus n of t. N union t union f. N of t plus n of f. The first thing you have to do is that we are going to add the single elements together minus n intersection t minus n intersection f minus n t intersection f. So once we add single elements together, we are going to subtract the double element. We first do n intersection t, n intersection f, and what? T intersection f. And finally plus n intersection t intersection f. We are going to add the 3D set together. So we are going to substitute the parameters. Don't forget that the union is what? 52. That is 52 equals n of n, that is 9, plus n of t, 11, plus t intersection f. Oh, sorry. N of n, that is 25. 25 plus n of t, that is 26. 26 plus n of f, that is also 26 plus 26 minus n intersection t, that is 11, minus n intersection f, that is 9, minus t intersection f, that is 8, plus n intersection t intersection f. So therefore, guys, I'm going to add all this together. If you bring out your calculator, press 25 plus 26 plus 26 plus 26 minus 11 minus 9 minus 8. So therefore, guys, this will be 52 equals 49 plus n intersection t intersection f. Section is 3. So therefore, I'm going to draw the Venn diagram like this, guys. The universal set is equals to 60. I will draw the first set. This is n. That's equals to 24. Draw the second set. That is t. That's equals to 26. Draw the third set. That is f. That's equals to 26. So therefore, guys, those that do none, that like those that do not participate in any, that is none. I'll write outside, that is 8. I'll write outside here. That simply means they don't participate in any of these. The next thing now, guys, is that I'm going to look at the center. That is my intersection of the 3. So this one will be 3. So therefore, guys, I'm going to move on. If you notice this very well, the addition of this and this is going to give you n intersection t. My n intersection t is 11. So this simply means that this plus something here is going to give me 11. So this one is 8. N intersection f is the addition of this and this. So my n intersection f is 9. So this will be what? 6. 6 plus 3, that is 9. The next one is t intersection f. My t intersection f, that is the addition of this and this. And the value is what? 8. So this one will be what? 5. So this is the major place you have to understand very well. Your n intersection f is 9. So you have to understand that this from here to here like this is representing n intersection f. Since the value is 9 and the value here is 3, so that's why this one will be what? 6. Because 6 plus 3 is what? 9. Also, your n intersection t, that is 11. So everything here represents your n intersection t. So if the center is already 5, then this one will be what? 8. Because 8 plus 3 is what? 11. Why also your t intersection f is 8. Everything here is representing T intersection F. Since the value is 8 and the center is 3, this simply means that the remaining part will be what? 5, because 5 plus 3 is what? 8. So therefore, guys, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get the value here, here, and here. So what you have to understand now, guys, is that the addition of this, and this will give us what? 25. So in order to get this, I will just add 8 plus 3 plus 6. That is what? 17. Then 17 minus 25. 25 minus 17. That's equals to what? 8. So this one will be what? 8. Because this 8 plus this plus this plus this give us what? 25. The next one is this, guys. The addition of this, and this must give us 26. So that will be 8 plus 3 plus 5. That's equals to what? 16. 16 minus 26, that's equals to what? 10. So this 10 plus 8 plus 3 plus 5 will give us what? 26. Also, the addition of this, and this must give us what? 26 also. So we will also do 6 plus 3 plus 5. That's equals to 14 minus 26. That's equals to what? 12. So this one will also be what? 12. Because this plus this plus this plus this will give us what? 26. So that's how to do it, guys. The next thing I'm going to do is that if truly what you've done is correct, the addition of this, and this must give us what? 60. Let's do that. So 8 plus 8 plus 10 plus 10 plus 3 plus 5 plus 6 plus 12 plus 8. And that equals what? 60. Guys, you must be able to interpret this value. So guys, let's start. You see this part, this big part is representing N only. So therefore, number 1, Newsweek only is equals to 8. Number 2, Time only is equals to 10. Number 3, Fortune only is equals to 12. So the next thing we are going to identify is that this place is for N intersection T only. So therefore, guys, number 4, N intersection T only, that is Newsweek intersection T only, that is what? 8. That's equals to 8. Number 5, Newsweek intersection Fortune only, that is 6. N intersection F only, that's equals to 6. That is 6. Why also Time intersection Fortune only, that is 5. So T intersection Fortune only, that's equals to 5. So therefore, guys, that is how to what? That's how to do the Venn diagram involving 3 sets. The first step is write out the parameters. The second step is, if there is none, subtract the none from the universal set to get a what? Union. But if there is no none, then your union is equals to what? Universal set. Step 3, calculate the intersection using the formula. This is the formula. You are going to add the single element together. You are going to subtract double element from each other. But you are going to add the triple element. Substitute all the parameters from what you get here. You will get a what? Intersection. Then draw your Venn diagram. You are going to be starting from the center. So the center of the 3 is what? Is 3, right? So therefore, the next thing is that this, the addition of this and this is going to equals to N intersection T. Our N intersection T is 11. So if this one is 3, this one will be what? 8. Because 8 plus 3 gives us what? 11. Also, the addition of this and this will give us N intersection F. Our N intersection F is 9. So 3 plus 6, that's also what? 9. So that is why here is 6. And also, our T intersection F is what? Is 8. So this center plus anything here will give us what? 8. So that goes to what? 5. So the addition of this, and this plus this give us 25. So that's why this one is what? 8. This plus this give us 26. That's why this is also what? 10. And also, you are going to do the interpretation like this. So thank you for watching. See you in our next video. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and share to your friends.